Hello friends, welcome to my channel Amazing Life. Here I'm again with a new video on few really very weird wedding traditions around the world, and I'm sure you will be surprised to see some of these countries' unique traditions. But before watching the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel and please hit the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. So let's begin. First, China, because everywhere China is in news. For the Tuzia people of China, the tradition is that the brides have to cry every day for an hour for a month before their weddings. Other female relatives joins her as well. The communal crying is meant to show solidarity and an expression of joy as the brides prepare to begin her new life. And bride's failure to shed tears is considered a sign of poor breeding, and it could result in the harsh judgment by her community. Second, Sweden. In Sweden, whenever the bride leaves the room, all the ladies at the reception are free to steal a kiss from the groom. And those equally minded Swedes keep this tradition gender neutral. So whenever the groom leaves the room, all surrounded gentlemen are free to kiss the bride too. Third, Indonesia. Forget about weddings, Indonesians are a step ahead on the crazy meter when it comes to the honeymoon. On the island of Borneo, the Tidong tribe follows a tradition that prohibits couple from using bathroom for 3 days and 3 nights after the wedding. That's why the bride and grooms are given a very small amount of food and drink during their wedding ceremony. They believe the custom will lead to a long, happy and fertile marriage life, and that breaking it will cause a very bad luck. Fourth, Western Africa. If you think your parents are nosy, then you must know this tradition. In some villages in Western Africa, it is a custom for an older woman to accompany the newlyweds into their bedrooms for their first night. Yes, you heard that right. A woman accompanies so that she can teach how to do it. It can be bride's mother or any older woman in the village. Fifth, France. On the day of French wedding, the guests fill with the toilet bowl with all the leftovers which are once deemed delicious and mix them alcohol and everything they desire. The couple is then obliged to finish the ball in order to build up a strength for the taxing wedding night that is ahead of them. Second, from France. This is not kind of banging you expect on the first night of your wedding. Family and friends gather outside the house of newlyweds and start banging pot on pots and pans. What's more, the couple has to serve them drinks and snacks. This old French tradition is known as charivari. Sixth, Mauritius. In Mauritania, brides actually work towards getting healthier and chubbier. Yes, it is believed to be a good luck charm in the tradition. Thin brides have to be sent on a fat camps where they are forced to eat more and more and gain fat. The chubbier the soon-to-be wife, the better, as it sign of wealth in their tradition. Seventh, India. On the day of the wedding, in a ritual called Juta Chupai, an Indian bride's mischief sisters and female cousins make off with the groom's shoes and demand ransom money for their safe return. That's one way to kick things up notch. Another from India. If you are a Hindu woman born during an astrological period when Mars and Saturn are both under the 7th house, you are cursed, according to few narrow-minded people. According to custom, if you marry prepared for early widowhood. Fortunately, there is remedy. Marry a tree first, then it have to cut down to break the evil spell. After that, you can marry anyone. 8th, Sudan. In the newer tribe in Sudan, the groom can get married if he pays with a certain number of cattle sold. The wedding is complete only when the wife gives birth to children. If the wife has only one child, the husband can ask for a divorce. If the husband dies, his brother must become the new widow's husband. 9th, Germany. The Germans are known for being very clean and tidy. However, when it comes to wedding tradition, they like it to make a mess. One of their wedding tradition, all the couple's friends get together and smash a porcelain plate on the ground. Then the couple has to clean up together and work together, like they will have to do in their marriage and after their marriage. 10th, South Korea. On the day of the wedding, guests tie the groom's feet together and take a turns beating his feet with sticks and dried fish before the first night of their marriage. This is considered that soon the groom will give up the worst he will do in the bed. That's all for today, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.